in a rush. When I cooked at the bonfire, it was specific meals for important people. There was a certain recipe you had to go by. So, whenever they made reservations, they would pick out what they wanted to eat, and we would cook it an hour before
during dangerous weather events. Weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding its own alert systems.